My name's Daniel Lincoln. I'm the Managing Director of Tilley Patton, based here in Wellington. We specialise in sheet metal manufacturing. That can cover architectural metalwork, construction companies, infrastructure, or large government projects. We use AI every day. We use it for data collection, managing stock, managing staff, across all facets of our business really. We use Copilot to look after Office 365. That's taking care of Outlook, Excel, Word, does some great PowerPoint presentations really quickly. We use ChatGPT for data analysis, drawing rendering, so we can render something that we've drafted or drawn so the client can see their finished product in a real world situation before we've even made it. AI's reduced a lot of repetitive work. Some tasks that could have taken hours now take minutes, and it's freed up people to do other things. MB's helped us a lot with our AI journey. They've been very supportive. We've been named as one of the partners in the AI Innovator project, which has freed up some funding for a QS module. It's helping our QS team take clients' drawings, take the data out of them quicker, and get a more accurate quote to our clients faster. The other part of that module is a web bot for chatting on one of our websites around some very specific product data that we have. People ask me, how do I get started with AI? Well, just choose one small task in your business, give it to AI, and just see what results you get. Most importantly, I think we need to remember that AI is not here to replace people, it's here to support them.